guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today we are making simple, tasty and healthy peanut and jaggery sweet or Pallipatti or Chikki. For that I have taken 1 cup of peanuts or groundnuts, and for jaggery you can use jaggery powder like this, or the jaggery that comes in cubes. I have broken the cubed jaggery. I am using 200 grams of jaggery for this recipe. And to a pan on a low flame, add the cup of peanuts and dry roast them for about 15 minutes. Keep stirring the peanuts unless you want to burn them. After dry roasting the peanuts on a low flame for 20 minutes, switch off the stove and let the peanuts cool for a bit. After letting the peanuts cool for a bit, rub the peanuts in between your hands to remove the skins. After removing the skins of the peanuts, let's make the Pallipatti or Chikki. To the same pan on a low flame, I am adding the 200 grams of broken jaggery. Keep stirring the jaggery in the pan. With the back of the spoon, press the jaggery onto the pan to let them melt. The syrup of jaggery should not be cooked for a long time. Cook the jaggery only until all the jaggery cubes have melted completely. Now the jaggery is melted completely. It is time to add the roasted and skinned peanuts to the jaggery. At this point you can switch off the flame. I have added the peanuts to the jaggery. Now coat the peanuts with jaggery syrup completely. After you have coated the jaggery completely over the peanuts, transfer the contents of the pan to a plate lined with parchment paper. Don't worry about your pan, just let it soak in some water for some time. The jaggery will melt into the water. Now spread the jaggery and peanut mixture on the parchment paper and let it cool for 10 minutes. After letting it cool for half an hour, I am breaking the jaggery and peanut into small pieces. This is a healthy and very easy to make recipe for Pallipatti or jaggery. And in this recipe, the jaggery will not cook the jaggery until it is too stiff. The jaggery remains very crispy and crunchy in this Pallipatti. You can serve this as it is, and you can pack this to your kids' snacks box. A protein and healthy fat and iron rich snack is ready. Hope you'll give it a try. And thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.